conversation, need no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic going zero to 100, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right.
Welcome back, bougie people. BoujeeBecky back again with another video. So here I'm sorting out laundry. So both my machine and the apartment's machine was down, so I had to, have clothes in all bags and everything. So here I'm sorting out everything. I'm putting linen in one bag, then towels over where they're supposed to go, and I'm separating black from blues, from greens, from reds, and so forth, so I don't have any color running on each other. I was doing this and using, oh yeah, I forgot to put purples in one pile also, and then whites in another pile. So the most color clothes that I have right now that was dirty at that time was black, as you can see, which I'm here sorting out and separating the blacks and so forth. So blacks inclusive of tights, pants, blouse, shirts, and all of that. I put them in one big pile. So some dark clothes can be washed with the black, but I don't do that all the time. So I had a lot of different loads to do, but with that now you're seeing me put the purples, the blues, the colors and everything, the green, the jeans and everything in one big bag, and I'm closing that bag. So each color has a level, so when I go to wash them, I'll just simply put each color within their respective load. So this is the black load that I'm putting in the black bag. And that's what I'm doing here. And after I'm finished putting everything together, then I'm going to show you the overview of the amount of laundry that I have to do. I'm not lying. After this, I was tired, but I got them done in like 3 days, because it didn't take like 1 day to finish. So here I'm putting the whites in one pile and separating them and put them in the respective bag. So that's all my curtains and all of that. So I put them in one bag, realized that color towel was in something else, and I put it there. So that's just me sorting out all of the bags and getting ready to attack the laundry head on. So here I'm sorting out which color goes where, which color goes to what, and I'm putting it in its respectable bag. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, it's pretty repetitive. So I am going to leave you guys to watch the entirety of the process.
Two hours later.
Alright people, but never stop until I get it's real wings. Yeah. So them to go now? Cashier, right? Sweet chili tastes nice.
Oh, I must think this is real hard.
Them big for two. Make sure I wash my hands around the bathroom. There's the supermarket which I've been shopping at from the bottom. And them know what is happening with food. Like them not drop off a shape. So that's why I wanted to taste these wings. Because I know that it's going to be good. Yeah? Yeah. So
He's trying to say
you know where else wings taste good? Burton. You see them. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to leave them down below. Everything with them cook tastes good. Very good thing. Nice. I'm sewing at the back, so I'm full. I'm mostly full up of juice because I drank a Pepsi, then I chop it,
Not full chop it, so like half of it. But we cool it up. So this being my first meal of the day, I'm okay and finish it. So there was 2 more right here. One of this, a drum and a fin. But this is what's left. Fresh. It is fresh. Become now in traffic at me.
346 minutes later.
Alright, hello people, it's BoujeeBecky back again. Once you see that lovely backdrop, you know I'm at the nail tech. So I'm getting my tails. I did my pedicure. I just finished my pedicure. You're gonna see that in the clip. Then I'm gonna do my nails. Yeah. So as the atoms. Keep it in push. Yes. So yeah, one of the mind me leave out, it blend. I look nice. So now I'm black and white. I'm going to want outfit out of there. I'm soon show now. So I'm starting off with it this way. So welcome back, Boujee people, BoujeeBecky back again with another video. Hope you enjoyed. This is a maintenance slash something else, I don't know what to call it. But I have other stuff doing. And since I've been totally MIA, I know say I need to get back on track. So yeah. Yes, that's what we're doing. We're dialing up. Make sure to keep your in idea with that. No, I'm that type of girlie that loves to do her nails and her toes and her hair. So once my hair is done, my toes done, and my nails is done. Yeah, I'm just chilling. Yeah, chilling. That type of person that's chilling. It used to be hair, nails, toes, and food, but I drop off the food off the category because food is not laughing with me. So I'm not laughing with food. So if you understand, you understand. So it's no longer food to the list. So you know where it go. Yeah.
Bar with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough when she calls to me. And if you fall for me, probably your bad. With the deep now your pussy, so you moan, so you talk to me. You say you're fortunate, but make it so hard for left. Give it up free and don't make me a feel ask back. Girl, but bitch, and you know she not talk. Anytime she get money, oh you know she want it. Mood, girl your skin smooth. What's your tongue game? Push it and me shift it now you. No long waiting, yeah. Your pussy make me come so quickly. I'm waiting there. I saw you know I'm addicted. She will par with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough when she calls to me. And if you fall for me, probably your bad. With the deep now your pussy, so you moan, so you talk to me. You say you're fortunate, but make it so hard for left. If it up free and don't make me a feel ask back. Girl, but bitch, and you know.
Do anything you want to me do. Anything you want to me.
Much later.
Alright people, back again with another unboxing. As my promise to know, me and you know. Alright? Alright, so the first thing is if I did look on the title of the package, me know which one are which. Alright. Alright, this is something when I've been wanting. It big your fuck. I don't know why them say a 3 pound. It big your fuck. I am so sorry for the underage people. Do not take me serious. Okay? I'm gonna fold this. Tear off my name and fight and something there. Alright, the next thing. This is huge. This is huge for the price. Alright. May I get distracted. I need to undistract myself. Here there, undistract myself. I need to stop come talk for cream. Hear me again with the bad word. I need to do better. Alright. this is a bondage BDSM. Alright, so the previous clip, you can know what's this in my hand. I am going to unbox it. Alright. Make sure I'm ensuring that I don't ensure someone pull it properly, because I'll be selling this. I don't got no time. I don't got no time. You see? Watch that job. Alright, cause whoa. Whoa. Alright. This appear on, and I think the other one is for your foot, or vice versa. Hey, worries in the dance, worries tonight. I can't manage. So if you're interested in this, please to send me a DM. Yeah, please just send me a DM, and it's good quality, but not like good quality. So send me one DM. Oh gosh, I forgot to take the picture.
The next.
The
morning, when the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you want so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.